Hey techies, welcome to Elephant Code. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You're watching a video from the PySpark playlist. So let's begin.
Welcome back. So today we will be learning how we can convert any Spark data frame to the Parquet file. For this we have a particular method write.parquet which is already provided in the data frame class itself. So we will be using this and we will be creating Parquet file, which in the next video we will read those Parquet file to the data frame. Okay, so let us go to the practical window to understand how we can write the data frame into Parquet data files. Okay, for this I'm using the same coding platform, I mean PyCharm, and in the same Python file itself. So what I can do, I can just create a kind of method inside my main class, which was create the Spark data frame class. So in this I will create one method. Let's say write to Spark data frame. Okay, now here what I can do, I can just pass some data frame which I want to write it to, let's say Parquet file. So here, I mean where I need to create the Parquet file is something which I need to define. So I'll say that, okay, my write file path is, so I'll just, I'm inside this particular, okay, let me just drop this folder so I can use the same folder name. Okay, okay, fine. So I'm here inside this, I'm working on this particular Python file. Okay, so what I want, I'll just create a path dot join. So I'll say that I need the current directory os dot path dot directory name of this current code file. So this is my current code file directory. Then I will say I want to go one level up. So from Spark class I'll go to the Spark project. Okay, once I'm there I'll say that I need to go into the source file. So I'll say that, okay, the next path will be source files, and then I'll say that I want to create a folder named as Par Parquet. Okay, and then I'll say that inside this I need a kind of, file where I will be storing all my Parquet file for the particular data frame. So I'll say that, okay, I want a file like Parquet. Today's date is 12/02/2024. Okay, so this is going to be my Parquet file. Parquet Parquet file. Okay, so this is going to be my folder. So this will be coming inside the source file. So it will create a folder called as Parquet file. Then inside it there will be one more folder with the name Parquet 12 to 2024 dot Parquet, and inside that there will be partition Parquet files. Okay, now what I will be doing, since I already have the df, so what I will do, df dot write, write dot Parquet. Okay, so here I will pass this path name. Okay, so let's see. Let us call this particular method. Okay, so in the last we have seen that we were creating a kind of data frame from the XML. So this data frame we can pass it. Okay, so what I am doing, I'm just putting a documentation here. Sorry, print slash n, mm, writing data frame, Spark data frame, Spark data frame to Parquet file. Okay, to Parquet files. So here I will use the same object obj create dot write. Okay, so write, and then I'll use this df. Okay, now let me run this. I should have print letting done. Okay. Fine. Now we have already executed the code and let us see whether it has created the Parquet file or not. So here we can see it has already created the Parquet file. Okay. So this is the Parquet file which is already being created under the folder Parquet 1222 12 02 2024. Okay, so this is how you need to create the Parquet file. So it's quite simple. You have the Spark data frame, so you can use Parquet method to create the Parquet file. Okay, so here look. Okay, so this is how you need to write the Parquet file. Thank you. Now it's the quiz time.
Elephant quiz of the day. What is the primary benefit of storing a Spark data frame into a Parquet file format? Option A, reduce storage space and improved query performance. Option B, enhanced compatibility with non Spark systems. Option C, faster data ingestion into Spark. Option D, simplified data manipulation within Spark. Mention your answer in the comment section below. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe Elephant Code for future updates.